Get excited about the 2012 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.